American Red Elm, Ulmus rubra, also known as slippery elm. American Red Elm is a hardwood found in the eastern US of A, mostly around the St. Lawrence River Valley. Mature examples can reach a height of around 30 metres with a breast height diameter of just under a metre. The timber is interlocked with a coarse, uneven texture. Heartwood is dull reddish brown and the sapwood is distinctly paler. Bark is light grey with deep fissures making vertical scales, and the inner bark is buff white and slimy, hence slippery elm. Sparse, large rising limbs split quickly into thick domes of downy twigs. The leaves are broad, oblong to ovate, about 4 to 8 inches long. Reddish tinged initially, they become dark green by the end of spring, then pale yellow during autumn. They're rough on top and soft underneath, with coarse, double serrate margins. Reddish brown flowers in the spring, prior to coming into leaf. The timber has medium bending and crushing strength, very low stiffness and high impact resistance. It's good for steam bending, dries easily with little shrinkage, has reasonable dimensional stability. The specific gravity averages 0.6. The timber can be a challenge to work due to its interlock grain. Tools need to be sharp and the wood has a moderate blunting effect. It chops and bores okay, nails and screws well without splitting, glues and stains well, and takes a polish or wax to a good finish. Its uses include flooring, panelling, furniture and cabinetry, hockey sticks, gym equipment, turnery and the production of decorative veneers. It's neither CITES listed or appearing on the IUCN Red List. If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! Can you help me build my world of woods? If you've got a sample of wood which isn't commonly imported or sold in the UK that you can let me have, it'd be great to hear from you.